Welcome back. You're watching the morning news. Now, North India remains in the grip of a cold wave. Another fresh spell of western disturbance will cause cold conditions both today and tomorrow. A western disturbance is an extratropical storm that brings rainfall in India. Isolated to scattered rainfall along with thunderstorms and high winds are expected over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, West Uttar Pradesh and East Rajasthan. Hailstorms are also going to be witnessed while dense fog conditions will prevail. A cold day to severe cold day warning has been issued for some parts of Himachal Pradesh. Kritika Tiwari, my colleague, joins me this morning. Kritika, very good morning. This is, like they say, a season of sweaters and shivers, but it's also been coupled with a little bit of drizzles today. So it's a concoction of possibly every weather condition one can think of. And you're also reporting by bracing yourself in that particular rain at the moment. We're very appreciative of the same, but continue to keep safe. But having said that, while you report on these given conditions, how long will this last?
Right, Nivedna. In fact, the alert that we are getting from the IMD this morning is that the rains, light to moderate, in fact, are likely to continue well into the evening. And in fact, this is going to be the scenario for the next 2 days as well, as of the forecast this morning. But we'll be getting more information on that later in the day. However, what we do as of now, is how since morning itself, light drizzle and now light to moderate rain also in many pockets of not just Delhi NCR, but also in the larger northwestern region has been recorded. Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and regions of Punjab also are experiencing light to moderate rains. Now the reason for this is a fresh western disturbance that is now carrying in moisture, also in addition to the easterly winds coming in from the Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. So that is why we're seeing moisture. This was already predicted that post-Christmas, a few days, we will have to brace these showers. However, something that can be looked as a respite in this season is that with the amount of rainfall we're experiencing, it is also predicted that the air quality will improve significantly, because earlier we had seen how it was only drizzling and that wasn't enough rainfall to settle down pollutants. But now with light to moderate rainfall over larger parts of the northwestern region in the country, air pollution is also expected to decline significantly. So that is some respite. As far as the cold wave goes, Delhi NCR yet again is not reporting any cold day. In fact, the minimum temperatures that we are getting in as of this morning is at 11 degrees Celsius, which is in fact now 4 degrees Celsius above the minimum normal for this temperature. So I think the humidity, the humidity content is also quite responsible for that. So from at the Safdarjung Observatory, 11 degrees Celsius is what was recorded. Yesterday also the maximum temperature was around 20 to 21 degrees, and we'll see these same temperatures continue throughout. So while it is a respite from the cold, and definitely we can look forward to better air, rain is something that we will have to be prepared for. In fact, the IMD has also suggested certain impact. Roads will be slippery, so anybody who's commuting today needs to plan out their travel route well in advance, and traffic congestion can also be expected. And because this is Delhi, sadly, waterlogging can also be reported at quite a few places. So definitely residents in Delhi today need to watch out for this. Over to you.
All right, Kritika, as you draw that into perspective, on a lighter note, I don't know about anybody else, but I'm glad that the weather is like this. Having said that, taking that across to Poonam Sharma, who's also joining us live this morning. Poonam, good morning. There is a little bit of drizzle that we're already seeing in the Delhi NCR region, but as far as where you are reporting from is very famous for being the winter wonderland. It seems like it's coupled with the good and the bad, so tell us both.
Yeah, obviously, there is a good news for obviously tourists are coming here and they're visiting after a very long dry spell. Snowfall was experienced in Himachal obviously the top hill areas of Himachal. And according to Weather Department has, and right now the snowfall is occurring in Fagu, and it is a very beautiful view over there. Right now, snowfall is occurring in Fagu, Kufri, and Kanda, and tourists are here. They're enjoying the snowfall, and according to Weather Department, for the next 2 days, heavy snowfall will occur.
All right, we seem to have run into some sort of a trouble with your audio line. But having said that, if Kritika is continuing to stay with us. Kritika, coming back to you, of course, there was some sort of a technical issue, but like she says, there's a good and bad in the weather, and that's why perhaps I said what I said to you is, while many of them, are perhaps not enjoying this weather, there are people like me who'd rather enjoy this weather than the heat any day. Having said that, there are certain factors when it comes to weather that always drives these given conditions. Can you talk to us on that front, so our viewers also understand this western disturbance that's actually causing this at this particular time of the year?
Obviously, the
mainly carrying in moisture from the northern parts of Pakistan and Afghanistan. Now, winter rains is something that is expected during this period in December. And what we are now also hearing is that the intensification in moisture, the intensification in rainfall is also due to the easterly winds which are carrying in moisture from the Bay of Bengal as well as the Bay of Bengal and the Andaman Sea. So that is why we are seeing now, because of low pressure situation, there is the precipitation that is being recorded. Now, in just a few while also we will get an exact sense of how intense is the rainfall, but definitely even hailstorm can be expected in certain northern parts, like in the northern parts of Punjab and Haryana, and thunderstorms and lightning will also be experienced across Delhi throughout the day. And because this is the season, we can expect the rainfall to last for another 3 days as well. So this is the latest that we are getting in from the IMD. However, the visibility at the airports remain at a manageable range of 300 to 500 meters. In fact, so in that aspect, visibility is not impacting flight operations so much so far. And definitely procedures are also in place. So the vehicular congestion on roads will be one major impact that a lot of residents will feel, even if it is a respite from the heat, as you were saying.
Right.
People who are not fond of traffic, which I
All right, Kritika,
would
I have
believe
to interject
are
you
a lot
there.
in
Thank
Delhi,
you for joining
are
us
in
this
for-
morning and drawing perspective. Poonam as well. It gives us an additional reason to perhaps dig into some extra hot chocolate or perhaps a cup of chai, but that's a conversation for some other time. We'll leave it at that. But since